Well, hello there. I'm back in the garden after, geez, I took a break, because winter. Anyway, I just tilled and weeded a little bit and getting the ground ready, and I have to come back and compost. So that should be good for the coming season. These are green onions. Remember the couple who live in the somewhere nearby, locally? They gave me green onions, so they're looking good. I picked some green onions and rosemary. Look at that, beautiful! It's thriving. I just picked some thyme and rosemary. So I'm just getting ready for the season, and that's lavender, overwintered. So a nice sunset, sun is going down, and the foothill. It's gonna be nice in a few weeks because the wild cherry blossoms gonna be blossoming in a few weeks on the foothill. So I will take a video and show you what it's like. And that's it for now.